Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com. 2014 Mack day cab. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side. Coming in to take a look at those steer tires. Give you a shot of the tread depth there. This truck does sit on all aluminums all the way around. As we come down the driver's side, you'll notice the nice chrome stacks. The truck has a split tank for hydraulic fluid, and it's been PTO and wetline set up for in-dump applications. As we come around to the back of the truck, we'll zoom in here on those aluminum inners. Nice clean frame on this truck. It is powered by a Mack MP8 engine. It's a 455 horsepower motor sitting on a 210-inch wheelbase and pushed by a Mack automatic transmission. As we finish up the walk around on the exterior, we're going to let you know we're going to go ahead and start this thing up in just a moment, then we'll jump inside the cab and show you around. We'll go ahead and crawl inside now. So as we sit down here in the driver's seat, you'll see this model's got 366 434. Again, they do have 10 other units in stock. There's your automatic transmission. All your gauges and functionality right here, easy to get to. PTO controls and functionality. Then looking at the flooring, everything looks nice and clean in here. One more look over that passenger seat. This truck does come with some overhead storage just above the visor here. And that's going to wrap up your 2014 Mack day cab.